Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss a very interesting problem from the topic quadratic equation. The question is, if p of x is equal to x square minus 2x minus 57599, then what we need to find? We need to find the number of integral values of x for which p of x is a perfect square. Option A 63, option B 126, option C 64 and option D 81. Now I am going to give approach how to solve this problem. Now what is given here? It is given here x square minus 2x minus 57599 is a perfect square and x belongs to integer. So what can we say? Can we say x square minus 2x minus 57599 is equal to k square, and given that x belongs to integer. So we can also write this as x square minus 2x plus 1 k square plus 57599 plus 1. So what is this? Simply I have added 1 in LHS and RHS and take 57599 to RHS. So what we find? We find this as x minus 1 square is equal to k square plus 57600. So x minus 1 whole square minus k square is 57600. So this is 240 square. So if we calculate this further, what we find? We find this as x minus 1 minus k into x minus 1 plus k. Simply apply the concept of a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. And what about 240? 240, 576, 240 square is 57600. So what can we write? We can write 240 as 24 into 10. So 2 cube into 2 into 5 into 3. So this is 2 raised to 4 into 3 into 5. So 240 square is 2 raised to 8 into 3 square into 5 square. Now let us suppose x minus 1 minus k as n1 and x minus 1 plus k as n2. So what can we say? We can say that n1 into n2 is 2 raised to 8 into 3 square into 5 square. So this is equation number 1. And what about n1 plus n2? n1 plus n2 we have 2 times x minus 1 and x is integer only. So n1 plus n2 is also even and n1 into n2 both are even. Is even number because x is integer and n1 into n2 is also even. So what can we say? We can say that both n1 and n2 are even because sum is also even and product is also even. So n1, let us suppose n1 as twice m1 and n2 as twice m2. So what we find? We find this as putting here in equation 1 2m1 into 2m2, simply putting in equation 1 is 2 raised to 8 into 3 square into 5 square. So what about m1 m2? m1 m2 is 2 raised to 6 3 square into 5 square. Now now we need to divide 2 raised to 6 into 3 square into 5 square in two different groups. So how many ways it is possible? This is possible n. If n is the number of possible cases, so n is simply 7 into 3 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is 32 only. Now in case of positive integer is 32. Now in case of negative integer it is also 32. So total case is for positive integer and negative integer also it is 32. So total cases are, so total number of cases are 32 plus 32, so 64. So answer of this problem is 64. So answer option C there. So hope you understand how to solve this problem. So this is very important problem which is based on combination of quadratic equation and permutation and combination. So thank you and see you in next video.